half cab is a switch frontside 180 popping from the nose of your board. It's a smooth way to pop back to your regular stance from switch riding. Start with riding switch and popping fakie ollies. This is the same as a nollie, except when riding switch it's called a fakie ollie. Do a few fakie nose rolls. This is where you're riding switch and butter over the nose of your board, landing into your regular stance. Use the heel edge on your approach, which will help initiate the momentum required for the 180 nose roll. A half cab is the combination of these two movements. Start on your heel edge as if you're going to do a fakie nose roll, but instead of buttering, spring off the nose of your board using a fakie ollie. Start with small half cabs, but they look a lot more stylish with a strong pop. The key for getting strong pop is how much flex you get in your board. When your board is flexed, it wants to spring back into its normal shape, so the more energy you put into it, the more you'll get out. Having a little weight over your back foot as your approach allows you to shift more pressure into the nose of your board to pop from. These movements feel pretty subtle when doing them, but when you slow it down, you can really see how the board flexes and releases into the half cab. Doing a half cab off a roller or the knuckle of a park jump is ideal. The drop away afterwards gives you a floatier feel to the trick, making it feel good and look more stylish. You're riding with Nev Lapwood from Snowboard Addiction. Our goal is to improve your riding.